Hello everybody, good morning. My last Tai Chi video I don't think actually managed to upload, so this is Sarah Tag. We're now all totally isolating, so we need a little bit of beautiful movement and breathing just to help us appreciate life. So I've got my wonderful son Billy filming. Okay. So we're going to take those feet hip width apart. And we're just going to stand within ourselves, feel those feet on the floor, think about that long spine, softness in the shoulders, softness in the face, in the fingers, in the feet. Just going to take a moment to breathe out. And then we'll soften those knees. Place that tail behind the heels. Feel those hands, feel the skin. Touch. One last time. If you feel uncomfortable placing those hands over the face, you can place them in front of the face and into our self-control. And remember that soft limit is a form of attention. Just take that touch where you feel you need it. And then with the fingertips, with that light fist, down that neck, shoulder, outside of his arm, back up the inside. Covering the front of the body. Taking that touch to where you feel you need it the most. And then back. Sit down. Think after that lower back. And again, that touch. Listen into it. Shake out those hands. Shake out that feet. Now, you're going to see and stand tall. Notice if we're just allow that chest to lift, allow those shoulders to drop. You place that tail down. And you're going to straighten out those knees again. And then again, as if we were placing that tail down, these arms and take one more. Diagonal repattern. We're going to do 3 moves in each movement. breathing that tail down. Under that long spine, just let those arms go. Let the shoulders relax. Let all that tension that might be building up or built up, just let it flow out through the body. Our vital organ warming. Let's see if you can lift your chest over this imaginary ball. Open up that space in the back of you. See if we can open up some space on the left side. Open up that area, the stomach, and that right side. So we're opening up that left side, opening up that stomach area, opening the right side. And then we're breathing out. We compress, breathing in as we let go. See if we can change direction. Soft hand, soft face, soft shoulders. Flying like wild geese. Our breathing effect.
Mom.
Drawing that breath in.
Mom.
Opening to the day. Letting it go. Allowing that breath.
Mom.
Breathing in. and then moving into 5 elements, leaving the more complicated move, planting it, thinking about that sunshine, blue sky, feeling that ground beneath the feet, feeling that sun on the skin, breathe in, feel. Our move to finish the sequence with our circle of well-being. Being careful of our back. We're going to return to centre, drawing that breath in. I'm going to take our time just to come back to yourself, and I hope that leaves you feeling maybe a little bit better than when you started, and I look forward to seeing you again. Just take care, all of you. Thank you, Billy Tag. Would you like to give them a quick selfie to show them?
Hi.